Hi children, today I am gonna teach you how to make lion stick puppet. Okay, for this these are the materials required: yellow color paper, orange color sketch pen, black color sketch pen, ice cream stick, and color pencil. Then two stripes. Okay, stripes of paper like a different color, whatever color you like, you can take that colors. So here I have taken lavender color paper stripe and white color a bit piece of paper, okay, and glue. These are the materials required for making lion stick puppet. So let's begin. See children, the first step will be you have to draw the circle on yellow color paper. Then draw the ears and eyes. Okay, then keep it aside. Then take white color paper. Then you have to draw this nose and mouth part. Okay, so after this just take the scissor and you have to cut this part. Okay, now I have cut both the piece of paper. Now I'm gonna stick this on yellow color paper, and with red color you have to color this. This is deep red, okay. And you have to draw the whiskers, okay. Then after this just take this yellow color and you have to draw the outline. Then you can put it off. Then you have to paste on orange color paper. Okay, just glue it. Then take this paper and you have to apply some glue on ice cream stick. Then just you have to paste it properly like this. Some weight. Then you take this paper stripe and just fold into half. Then apply some glue over here. Same for this as well. Same for this as well. just you can give the outline so that it looks good. Yes. Then at last take black color marker, and you can give the outline for this. Now your lion stick puppet is ready. Okay, do practice and show me next class. Thank you. And if you don't have this paper, you can use satin cloth as a satin ribbon as well for this. Okay, so just I have taken the materials which are available easily at home. So